10 unknown facts about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. We bring you some facts about the most loved ex-president of India, the late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. From newspaper boy to president. A fisherman by profession, Kalam's father was not highly educated. To run a family of 5 brothers and 5 sisters was not easy, and Kalam's father would usually fall short of money. Thus, to keep his siblings' primary education going, Kalam started selling newspapers. He always woke up at 4 a.m. Since the age of 8, Kalam used to wake up at 4 in the morning. He would take a bath and leave home to study mathematics. He read his namaz like a true Muslim. After coming back from the tuition, Kalam used to read the namaz. Thereafter, till 8 in the morning, he used to sell the newspapers at Rameshwaram railway station. Author of inspirational books. He had written many inspirational books like Wings of Fire, which aims at motivating Indian youth. Guiding Souls, Dialogues on the Purpose of Life reveals his spiritual side. He was also a poet and had written some poems in his native language, Tamil. He was an aeronautical engineer. Dr. Kalam pursued aeronautical engineering from Madras Engineering College and joined ISRO in 1962. Built India's first space vehicle. Under the leadership of Kalam, India made its first indigenous satellite launch vehicle, that is SLV-3. In 1980, Rohini satellite was installed near the Earth's orbit, and India became the member of International Space Club. Awarded nation's 3 highest honors. The Government of India has honored him with the nation's highest civilian honors, the Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and the Bharat Ratna in 1997 for his contribution in ISRO and DRDO and his role as a scientific advisor to the Government of India. Missile Man. Thereafter, Kalam designed the indigenous guided missile. He prepared missiles like Agni and Prithvi using Indian technique. From 1992 to 1999, Kalam also served as the defense advisor to the then defense minister. He was also the chief scientific advisor of India. India enters nuclear nations list. Meanwhile, the Vajpayee government performed the Pokhran nuclear test for the second time, and India was included in the nuclear nations. In 1982, Kalam was made the director of DRDL, Defense Research Development Laboratory. Unique laurels. Kalam is the 3rd President of India to have been honored with a Bharat Ratna before being elected to the chair of President. He is also the first scientist and first unmarried person to become the President of India. If you like this video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.